we've been out here. I know we'll pass each other several times, but what do you think, Mags? Pretty out here, isn't it? God is good. Thank you for your protection, Lord. Thank you for a beautiful place to ride. Again, if you've never come to Berea and had the opportunity to hike the pinnacles, I invite you and highly recommend it. It's been 24 years since I've done it, but it's well worth it. It is simply gorgeous. Coming up on your left. Camera is starting to slip, but we're almost there.